So we did a very comprehensive ad blocking study. Globally, it was about 9,000 respondents, and the catalyst of it was we were working with all of our publisher partners like Time Inc., like Condé Nast, like the Washington Post, and we're trying to determine why people are blocking ads. And what we found was people are blocking ads largely because of invasive and intrusive ad formats. That would be interstitials, and for video, the main driver of ad blocking was non-skippable pre-roll. Well, I think the challenge for everybody in the ad blocking world is simply how do we reach consumers at scale if they're installing ad blockers, and specifically talking about the millennial audience, which is installing ad blockers at a much higher rate than some more of the general demographics. And when you talk about where people are blocking ads, the US is about 20 to 25% of people are blocking ads. So it's an issue, but it's not an extreme issue. You go to Germany, almost 70% of people are blocking ads. So regionally, I think it's a risk for our business. But what we've found is that people are actually willing to rethink installing an ad blocker on their phone. And the main drivers were, number one, add a skip button to video. Number two, add a close button to video. Number three, let somebody scroll by the video. So essentially giving users a choice. And what we're focused on is creating a sustainable advertising model for both publishers and brands, but also, which nobody had really thought of before, for consumers. We're growing massively in the US. So we have 9 different offices in the US now. We just launched in Toronto about 4 months ago, and we already have a very fast-growing business up north. Publisher partnerships has been a main focus of ours over the last 12 to 18 months. We have exclusivity for platform exclusivity with guys like the Washington Post, with guys like Reuters, and most recently, actually just this past week, we signed a 2-year exclusive deal with Time Inc. as well. We're a SSP ad-serving platform to empower publishers to generate more revenue with video. If that is the publishers going out and arming their sales team with the ad format, with the native video ad format, or if it's at our team out backfilling any of their unsold inventory, what we want to do is create an immense opportunity for new, unfound revenue that they've never seen before. So it is pliable depending on what the publisher is looking for. So very much in line with sustainable advertising and user-friendly ad units. You have guys like Google with AMP, and you have guys like Facebook with Instant Article that are trying to build a faster, more seamless mobile experience. And we've also been working with them as the native video or Outstream partner at the forefront of trying to create a better mobile experience. So the first step was we're fully integrated with Google AMP. We're actually, right now, their only native video partner. And we worked with them for the last 8 or 9 months to really try to develop a strong, sustainable platform. And we're also integrating into Instant Article, so publishers can leverage all of their phenomenal sales efforts in the field, not just on their own properties, but also within the Facebook environment. So I think that Outstream and native video will power a lot of the new revenue we're seeing both on Google and Facebook. What I'd like to see is by the end of the year, I'd like to see our business in the 60 to 70% programmatic revenue split. I think we had a big focus last year in mobile. Now 60% of all of our inventory and distribution is happening on mobile because that's where the consumers live, and it's a better ad experience and there's better engagement. We focused on forging new, stronger publisher relationships, which we've been massively successful with. But at this point, I think we have 70% of the ComScore 300 in the US on our platform. And this year, programmatic is the future of our business, but I want it to be the present of our business at Teads.